Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is store.
C5.
Knight F3.
D6.
D8. Store.
C captures on D4.
Knight captures on D8. Store.
Knight F6.
Knight C3.
A6.
Bishop G5.
E6.
F. Store.
Knight B D7.
Queen A2.
Queen C7.
G. Store.
B5.
Bishop captures on F6.
G captures on F6.
Castle's queenside.
Bishop B7.
F5.
Knight C5.
A3.
Castle's queenside.
King B1.
King B8.
H. Store.
Bishop H6.
Queen F3.
Rook HE8.
Bishop G2.
Rook C8.
What? H. F1.
Bishop G7.
What? F1.
King A8.
Queen F2.
Queen B6.
Knight B3.
Rook C7.
Queen D8. Store.
Rook D8.
What? A2.
King A7.
What? A2.
Bishop H6.
What? A2.
Knight captures on b3.
Queen captures on b6. Check.
King captures on b6.
C captures on b3.
Bishop f4.
B store.
Bishop e5.
What? A3.
Rook d8.
King c2.
h5.
G captures on h5.
E captures on f5.
King b3.
Rook h8.
Bishop f3.
f4.
What? A2.
Rook g8.
What? G2.
Rook g3.
What? Captures on g3.
F captures on g3.
Bishop g store.
Bishop captures on c3.
B captures on c3.
Bishop captures on e4.
What? Captures on d6. Check.
Rook c6.
What? d1.
f5.
If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.